Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique origamis and something new and innovative things. Let's see what are we going to learn today. So this with the help by folding the papers origami sheets in this manner, you'll be getting a beautiful lovely result. Let's see what are we going to do now. You just have to fold the paper like this from the lower side to upper side and then make some creases, fold it in this manner and let's see what, and this bird is ready. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see how to make these shoes. Fold the paper like this by making triangular folds, get the creases along the lines and then keep on folding and rolling the paper in this manner. Now get the crisscross pattern and then make it look like this. Again you have to make the sole shape and this is yet ready. Now take another sheet of paper and again you have to make the triangular folds in this manner and then from the sidewards also you need to make a fold like this. Now let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to fold it in this manner and let's see what are we gonna do next. You have made the sole like this. Now you have to put it inside and make the bows. Isn't it looking so pretty and amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what is there in store for us. You again have to make the folds like this and let's see what in the end are we going to get. Keep on making the folds in this manner and get it in this way and then fold it in this way from the two sides, from either sides, and let's see in the end you will be getting a beautiful lovely result. Let's see what are we going to get. Make the folds like this and let's see what are we going to do now. Keep on making the folds and yes, your butterfly is ready to flutter. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do. You have to make the folds like this and again we have to make the creases and fold and get the shape in this manner. You have to make this pattern. Just fold the paper and from both the sides and then get the creases. Again let's see, you have to make the folds in this way and you'll be getting a beautiful result. Isn't it amazing? Now put it in this manner and let's see what are we going to get now. And yes, it is yet another thing that we are going to make. Yet exciting, right? Let's see what are we going to get in the end. Keep on making the paper, folding it from other side, get the creases and then you'll be getting a lovely result. Keep on proceeding and yes, it is ready to go. Now let's see how to make these cute bunny rabbits. Are you excited to see? Let's see. You have to fold the paper in this way and then from the top as well you have to make triangular folds like this. Now again you have to fold the paper backward side and then again from the other side as well fold it in the manner as we are doing in the video. Let's see what are we going to get. Keep on folding the paper and in this manner you'll be getting a beautiful result. Isn't it amazing? Now what we have to do, make it look like this and then we have to make the paws and all. Now again we have to keep on folding, make the ears look like this and then the eyes. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to get now. Again you have to take the sheet of paper, fold it in this manner and let's see what are we gonna do. Yes, you have to fold it in this way, get it another side and let's see what are we gonna do. You have to fold and keep it inside and then you just have to make the pockets look like this on either side of the paper. And let's see what in the end are we going to get. Keep on folding it in this manner and you'll be getting a beautiful lovely result. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna get. And this is how it looks. Thank you.